I decided to become the director of the Paterno Fellows Program because I was very impressed with the idea of allowing anyone to become an honors student. The Paterno Fellows Program is the pinnacle of honors education here at Penn State. It's a program that gathers together the most ambitious, most talented undergraduate students. I think the greatest success that the program has had is encouraging students to try to be their best, to take honors classes, perhaps learn a foreign language when they didn't originally think they could, to try to study abroad when they perhaps didn't think they could afford it. And what's always heartwarming to me is that there are a plethora of alums who are willing to come back to Penn State, to speak to students, and to extend the kind of encouragement and support that they felt that they received while they were at Penn State.
The Paterno Fellows Program has helped my postgraduate success in that it's exposed me to experiences that I wouldn't have taken otherwise. And those experiences are both cultural and networking, as well as providing critical thinking skills that I use to this day. I had the opportunity to study abroad at the University of Oxford, which as the first person in my family to go to college, I wouldn't have had the opportunity to if it weren't for the funding that the program provided. What I'm looking forward to the most about being a visiting scholar for the Paterno Fellows Program is giving back to the community. I feel like I had a lot of mentorship experiences while I was at Penn State, and this is sort of my opportunity not only to interact with future scholars, but to mold potential policy experts.
Many students would like very much to study abroad or to do internships or to dedicate a summer to doing research. Those kinds of enrichment experiences are only possible if they have additional financial support. Any support that comes from alumni goes to making these enrichment experiences possible for our students.